This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of delivery companies. First we have is UPS and FedEx. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, first on the docket here is we have UPS. Now, this isn't really that great of a chart because you had a good run up, but look at the big gap fill that came all the way on down. Okay, so let's just see what we have here. So what we want to do on the downside is you want to look at this key 8 SMA. This is sitting at 169.94. Okay, if that is lost, then we want to look to the bottom of this candle here, which is you're sitting at 167.45, and then you have your big retest here at 166.15. If that is lost, then we come to this candle here, 157.61, and then all the way down to 154.87. Those are your support levels. Now, on the upside, the key level here is going to be your 21 SMA. This is sitting at 172.79. Now, if it can get above, your big target here is going to be this 200 SMA. Okay, you're sitting at 181.01, and then you'll have your 50 SMA here sitting at 182.38, and then you'll have your 100 SMA here all jammed up here right around. This is sitting at 182.39, but right that 182 area is going to be very critical. You look at the price channel here, you're looking at 182.69. So this is going to be very, very strong resistance here. Now, you also here have a gap. Okay, so you want to look at here. This is 183. Now, if it can get into the gap, then we want to look to the bottom of this candle here. This is sitting at 194.73. That would be the fill. That would be the target if you can close above all these SMAs here. That would be the target there. And then obviously you have a retest, which is going on there, which is be 197.80. But right now, we have to worry about is this 21 SMA on the upside and this 8 SMA here on the downside. Let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, here we have the weekly. Now, this is very nice here. You see how this is? You have a low, you have a higher low, and then we have a higher low. And look at how nice this is holding this 200 SMA. So we want to look at 165.53. That's going to be key support. If that is lost on a closing basis, then we want to look here, 157.61, and then 154.87. Those would be your downside targets. Now, on the upside, you want to look at this key 8 SMA. This is 180.27, okay? And then we have your 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 181.79, and then we have your 21 at 182.75. If it can close above this area, then we look here to this 100 SMA at 190.79, and then your big retest at 197.80. That'll be top of the price chart. This is going to be very, very tough resistance here. So watch this level here, and then watch this key 200 SMA here on the downside. Now, on the monthly chart here, look how nice this is holding this 50 SMA. So that is what you want to make sure that it holds. It's 160.91. Very, very key. If that's lost, 154.87 is your target. Now, on the upside, you want to watch this key 8 SMA, 180.42. If it can close above, you got 189.26. So very easy to trade this. You know, you have your downside and you have your upside. All right, let's take a look here at the old FedEx. All right, here we have the old FedEx. Now, this is a really nice chart. See how this gradually, bottom left corner, right corner right there. Very, very nice here. All right, so let me just big this up a little bit. Okay, so what we want to look for on the downside is you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. You're sitting at 222.53. That's going to be your support. Then we look over here to this one, and this is 221.13, and then we have a retest here of 219.33. Now, if that is lost, yes, you can come all the way down to 212.52. But first of all, what you want to do is look at this gap right here. See the bottom of this candle? This is sitting at 214.67. There's your gap right here. 205.10, that's your fill. Okay, so that can come all the way down there. And then obviously, if that's lost, you can go all the way down here to this 200 SMA here, which is sitting at 195.46. On the upside, everything is jammed right here tight. So you got 225.85, You have 226.38, and then you have 226.85. So everything, it needs to close basically above that. Then we can start looking at the top of these candles here, 229.53. You have 230.44, and then you have 231.51, and then your big retest here is 234.15. So when you trade this, just keep it simple. Just follow your SMAs, follow your candlesticks, and this is an easy way to trade this. So let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, here we have the weekly. So we basically just click in this price channel right here. Okay, 235.81. That is going to be a very key level there to get above. Now you notice there today, it went up here this week here. You're right up against that 8 SMA, 228.46. Very strong resistance. If it can get above that, then you look to this price channel here, 235.81. Okay. And then again, if it keeps on rising, then you have all these targets here. You can go all the way up to here. Okay, you're looking at 248.15, and then you can go all the way up to here. But let's not get excited first. First of all, you want to make sure you can get above this 8 SMA and then above that key price channel at 235.81. On the downside, looking pretty good here. You can see how this 21-day is pushing up. So always look to the resistance here, our support levels here, is you want to look at that key 21, our 200 SMA. You want to look at this 21, and then you obviously want to look at this 50 SMA here at 201.48. If that's lost, you could come all the way down here to 174.53. Now on your monthly, pretty much same thing. Just watch this key 21 SMA on the downside. The 8-day is curling up really nice here. And then look at the top of these candles here for your targets of what you're going to be trading it to if you buy it at this kind of level. All right, thanks for watching.